welcome back to another episode of Graveyard Creepers. I'm going to build a table for my coffin to sit on, or my caskets to sit on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit like a spider web design. Something a little different, you know, something to look good when people looks at the casket and they can see the design and be like, oh wow, check it out. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you. I did a little quick mock-up of one. I'll show you that. It's trust me guys, this is just a drawing, so don't my drawing sucks. So but anyway, that's kind of what it's going to look like. I'll do the sides as well. I got some 3/8 round bar and I got some 1/2 inch round bar, so I'll probably use my 1/2 inch in that and put my 3/8 inside of that, and I'll do one on each side of this, the stand. So when I set my casket on top, I have something pretty to look at. Or at least that's the hope of it. Hopefully I can make that look decent. Getting these things measured and cut right is kind of a pain in the butt. And I made a gate and it was a kind of a pain. And I didn't have a pipe bender. I used a hammer and I used a vise and everything to bend the little pieces of webbing over and stuff like that. That's what I got, guys. So this is going to be the bottom. It's 2 inches. It is 60 inches long, 20 inches wide, about 24 inches tall. And these would be braces, and I'll just put these braces in the top up here just to hold in. And the same way with that, the braces would be in there. And I ain't trying to make it heavy. I need to make it where I can move around. This is real thin gauge. I think it's 18 gauge steel. So that's where that goes. And this goes. So now all I gotta do is weld her up. And go from there, huh? You wanna weld it? You want to weld it? I'll let you if you want to do it. Yep. So there it is, guys. She's almost probably 90% complete. We still got to paint, do a little bit more sanding, and put some wheels on it possibly. Maybe some little decorative pieces. I think I got some more here. Maybe put some spindles of some sort. I'm not sure. Now, I don't know where we'll put these at. They're all rusty now from being sitting in the box so long. So maybe something like that, guys. I don't know. What do you think? I think I should add those spindles in there somewhere. Can't put them on top because the casket will be up there. But that'll give it a little bit of decorative ordeal. Not sure if I'm going to do that yet. Just thinking outside the box. So there it is, guys, the casket table. We cut and welded it up today and put as a little spiderweb design in it of some sort. Not exactly spiderwebbish. I usually just bend them, but I figured I'd just cut them straight and just weld them crooked and see what that looked like. So yeah, it don't look half bad. Anyway, guys, there's our casket table. That's to hold your casket on top. And we'll be using this in our Halloween haunted house. So we're just making something a little different. And I hope you guys enjoy. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.